Do you love chocolate, but yet you're trying to be healthier? Well, I have got a recipe for you that you are going to love. They are called no-bake protein brownie bites. They are delicious. And did you get the part about the no bake? So hang with me and I'll get to the recipe in just a moment. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Rachel Clark and I help women take their lives back naturally through nutrition and helping them crush their limiting beliefs so they can live their best and healthiest life. So let's dive into this recipe. Here is what you are going to need. You are going to need almond flour, and if you are not used to baking with almond flour, then you can just find this at your grocery store. I shop at Kroger and it's in the baking aisle. Then you're going to need a protein powder. I have a meal replacement shake that I use because I do incorporate meal replacement shakes into my daily life. So I will drop a link down below if you would like to check that out. You will need either cashew butter or almond butter. You can use peanut butter, but peanuts do cause inflammation, so I stick with either almond or cashew butter. And then you are going to need cocoa powder and then some organic honey. The organic is up to you. I do buy organic honey. And then you're going to need some chocolate chips. And I buy the Enjoy Life kind. They are the mini chocolate chips. Or you can also replace the chocolate chips with walnuts or pecans if you choose. I have done that before. So this, like I said, this is super easy. You are going to take a half a cup of almond flour. Now, what I do prefer to do is sift it a little bit so that way to make sure that it is really fine. And then you're going to use 2 scoops of your protein powder. And then you're gonna do 2 tablespoons of your butter of choice, your either your almond butter or your peanut butter or your cashew butter. You're going to do 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of your honey, and then you're going to do 2 tablespoons of water. You may find that you want to add a little bit more. I usually add a little bit more than that, just kind of play around with it and see how you do. And then you're going to add in either your chocolate chips or your walnuts, whatever, nut, or if you don't want to add any, you don't need to do that. But I usually add in about 1/4 cup's worth of chocolate chips. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna put that in a bowl and you're gonna mix it up. Super easy. And then you're just gonna take a little bit and you're going to roll it into a ball. Just like I said, this is so simple. Just roll it into a little ball and then you're gonna put it on a pan and you're gonna put it in the refrigerator. And there you go. It is so easy. So I hope that you try this out because it is really delicious. Now, here's the thing. Make sure you only eat a couple at a time because we are trying to be healthier, so you don't want to eat the whole pan. So I hope that you try this out. I would love to hear back from you if you do. Again, about the meal replacement shake that I use, I will drop that below so you can check that out. And please feel free to reach out to me with any questions. I really appreciate you checking out this video. And if you are interested in taking your life back naturally, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button.